Number 1.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It has 282,000 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission, a black exterior, a red interior, and runs on gasoline. It holds a clean title and overall runs and sounds good, shifting smoothly through every gear. Although it was originally equipped with a 4.3 engine, it has since been swapped to a carbureted 350, giving it stronger performance. The interior is in decent condition aside from the driver's seat, which shows noticeable wear. The truck is priced lower because it still needs some attention. The throwout bearing squeals when the clutch is pressed in, and the fuel tank is currently mounted in the bed, as the original underbed mounting points on the frame appear to be missing. The inside rockers show rust, and while the body presents well from about 20 feet away, it does have some subpar bodywork typical of an older truck.
Number 2.
1993 Ford F150, price $9,500. This truck features an automatic transmission, a gray exterior paired with a red interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a 4.9L inline-6 engine and shows a true 54,000 miles. The truck comes with its original window sticker and factory booklets, adding to its authenticity. It has received numerous new parts, including 2024 Bronco wheels and tires, fresh paint, new light assemblies, a complete set of brake components, exhaust system, shocks, fuel tank and pump, injectors, battery, and various sensors. Although it currently has a slight miss caused by the ECU, the owner already rebuilt the unit, which improved the issue, though a good used ECU is still needed to fully resolve it.
Despite this, the truck remains fully drivable without any problems. Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, showing only 76,000 original miles since new.
Powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth and reliable performance.
Both the blue exterior and matching blue interior present exceptionally well, reflecting how carefully the truck has been maintained over the years. It comes from a single original owner, which adds to its authenticity and appeal. The truck still looks close to new, with all components and features in proper working order. It has also been outfitted with brand new tires, making it road-ready without the need for immediate maintenance. Well-kept Chevrolet trucks from this era are becoming increasingly hard to find, and this one stands out thanks to its clean body, tidy cabin, and overall preserved condition.
Number 4.
1992 GMC 1500, price $9,000. This truck comes with a manual transmission and sports a sleek black exterior matched with a clean black interior, giving it a classic and understated look. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a well-maintained 350 engine that the owner describes as being in very good condition. The truck shows no signs of rust, which is uncommon for a vehicle of its age, and it carries a clean title, adding confidence for potential buyers. In addition to its solid mechanical condition, the truck has been upgraded with more than $2,000 invested in its sound system, providing a powerful and high-quality audio experience. The tires are also in great shape, with approximately 90% of their life remaining, meaning the next owner won't need to replace them anytime soon.
Number 5.
2000 Ford Ranger, price $4,500, well-maintained pickup with 190,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with a manual transmission, a green exterior, and a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Powered by a 2.5L engine with 8 spark plugs, the truck delivers strong and dependable performance. Recently, it has received several maintenance updates, including a fresh oil change, a new battery, and a new alternator, ensuring that the vehicle remains in great mechanical condition. Despite its age and mileage, the Ranger runs impressively well, smooth, responsive, and functioning exactly as it should. All features and components operate properly, making it a solid and reliable truck for daily use or work needs.
Number 6.
1993 Ford F150, price $5,000. It has around 180,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, and a gray interior. Powered by a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine, the truck has undergone extensive recent maintenance. The transmission was rebuilt with a new torque converter, along with a new rear main seal, oil pan gasket, and transmission shaft seal. The rear differential was drained, resealed, and refilled. In the past 3 months, it also received a new brake booster, master cylinder, distributor, ignition coils, spark plugs, wires, cold air intake, and an EGR delete. Key sensors and components were replaced as well, including the idle air control, throttle position sensor, thermostat, coolant temperature sensor, and oil pressure switch. It also has short tube headers, a new battery, idler pulley, serpentine belt, and a freshly installed alternator. There is a small exhaust leak, but nothing major.
Number 7.
1991 Chevrolet S10, price $2,500. This is a 33-year-old truck that, while not perfect, remains impressive for its age. It currently needs a fuel pump installed, but once addressed, it has solid potential as a daily driver or project truck. Power comes from a 2.8L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has been equipped with drop blocks and upgraded with new shock absorbers, giving it a smoother and more controlled ride. Several important components have already been refreshed, including a new clutch master cylinder, slave cylinder, and new brakes on all 4 corners. It also comes with functional heat and air conditioning, making it comfortable for year-round use.
Number 8.
1970 Ford F150, price $3,500, shows approximately 178,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It wears a classic red exterior with a clean black interior, and it runs on standard gasoline. According to the seller, the truck starts and drives, but it will need some attention to the carburetor to run at its best. Under the hood, it is powered by a 302 V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission, offering the traditional driving feel of an early Ford pickup. It comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind for the next owner. As a pre-smog vehicle, it will never require smog inspections, making ownership simpler.
The truck is currently registered as non-operational, meaning there are no back fees owed, which helps reduce additional costs for the buyer. Number 9.
1972 Jeep J4000, price $4,200, shows approximately 95,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission paired to a 360 V8 gasoline engine. Finished in a classic tan exterior with a matching tan interior, the truck maintains much of its original appearance, giving it the authentic charm that collectors appreciate. As a 4x4, 3/4-ton pickup, it offers solid capability, and several important components have been recently updated, including a new starter, new fuel tank, and new fuel pump.
The seller notes that it runs and drives great, with the interior remaining impressively clean considering its age. While the body shows a few minor rust spots, none are considered major or structural. With vintage Jeep trucks becoming harder to find each year, especially ones that remain this original. Number 10.
1985 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. It has an automatic transmission, a red exterior and interior, and runs on gasoline. It starts and drives, though it had been parked for nearly 8 years before the current owner bought it. It's powered by a small block Chevy engine with a 700R4 transmission. The truck has brand new tires, wheels, and a new Edelbrock carburetor. The body has dents and dings, but the bed and tailgate are in near perfect condition.
Rust is minimal and mostly in the cab corners.
It's a solid candidate for restoration while still being drivable. The owner originally planned a short bed conversion but moved on to other projects. Included are $2,000 wheels and tires, a $600 carburetor, extra tune-up parts, and a new aluminum radiator with dual fans.